channel. It is me, Alicia. So guys, in this video I am going to share my experience of how I earned an amount of $2,000 per month. Remember, this is not a sponsored video and it is truly from my own very experience. Due to the current COVID pandemic, I know a lot of people who had been jobless for a couple of months and who have been trying their very best to find a new job. So this video is to all those people who are currently looking for a job. So what is this all about? This is all about called as freelance testing. It might be familiar to some, but it might be really new to some people. So this is to those people who look forward for freelance testing. How do you do freelance testing? UTEST.com is the world's largest freelance testing platform. What does UTEST.com do? UTEST.com, it crowds people from all across the globe and provides people with various websites. Some of them might be familiar for you. Example might be Goa Bibo Yatra. These were the websites that I had worked on when I was a member of UTEST.com. So what do? They provide us with websites. You test the application, you report the defects so that their corresponding developers could fix those defects, and you give feedbacks for this particular website. What do you get in return? You get paid for what you find. For example, if you have reported a bug, you earn money for each and every bug you have reported. You get paid through PayPal. You link your PayPal information while you sign up and you get your money in your bank. So what is the eligibility requirements for this job? Yes, you do have some eligibility requirements. First is you need to read English. Second is you need to know how to browse through website and applications and how to use your own devices. It's possible with everyone, right? Yes, it is possible. You can earn this amount of money while you sit in your comfort of your home. I enrolled in UTEST from the year 2017 and even now I am a member of it. So in this video guys, I'll be giving you a walkthrough of how to sign up with UTEST.com and how to use this application. Initially during your first month you would be able to earn something like around $500 to $1,000. It depends upon how much time you invest on this particular application. Consider your first month as a training period with UTEST.com. What they would provide you is they would give you some trainings wherein you get trained as a professional tester. You needn't pay for that. Next is I'll be giving you a walkthrough about UTEST.com. So this is UTEST.com. UTEST.com is the world's largest community of testers. What you can do is you can become a UTEST tester. So what you need to do is you can join today. In join today, you can give your name and the rest of the details. And after you enter details, you can give your location. Then the next important part is ensure that you specify all the devices that you have. For example, your computer, what your version is, the language, give all the devices you have, the mobile devices. You can also register the devices of your family members. So whenever a test comes that is specific to that particular device, you would be invited for it. Tag testers who has that particular device in hand. So if you have any of these devices, if try to accommodate as much as mobile devices that you have. Create a UTEST password and that's it. As a new tester, we recommend that you follow these 3 steps to begin getting involved with UTEST. Participate in the UTEST Academy. It's dedicated to all your training requirements. So as I mentioned, with the eligibility that you have, you can get trained with UTEST.com. Complete your tester profile, give all your details. So whenever the paid projects comes up, you get opportunity to participate in that. Then after that, you can set up your payment method. This is your project dashboard wherein each of the project requirements that comes in would be listed up here. So if you have any of the devices or if you feel this particular requirement suit you, then you can submit the form. You can enroll into it by submitting a survey that comes up to you. So for example, I'll just read out some of the requirements that are currently available in the project dashboard. First is, do you have experience with sport video analysis platforms? If you have an experience with sport video analysis, then you can enroll in it. Calling all testers who own specific TV devices in India. So you can check if these device is available for you. If so, it will be well and good. You can enroll in it and you can start testing and earn for it. Next is, it is country specific. It is US, Hong Kong, and next is Israeli testers. Do you want Amex card? Usability study for social media. You can just go and understand testers with a bank account or a credit card. Looking for testers who own smart TV. So these are some of the projects that are currently available in the dashboard. You can start with any of these requirements. The other requirements that the cycles that are we currently running is to submit ID or face to our customer interface. These are the various project specifications that are in place right now. So it can change any day and any time. As and when requirements comes in, this changes. So whenever a new project comes up, you get a survey in your mail. Check your mail regularly. Once a survey mail comes up from UTEST.com, apply for that particular survey, give the list of devices that you have and submit that survey, and surely of course they would let you know once this test cycle start. When the cycle starts, they would inform you and you can participate in that cycle. And whenever you find a defect, always try to keep your screen recording on, so that in your replicable step, how did you replicate it, how did you identify that particular bug, you can submit your screenshots and your screen recording with that. Create the bug as early as possible before others find it out. Of course there is competition everywhere, and here too we have competition. But if you have a major defect, or if your severity is high for your defect that you have submitted, then you earn more than for a person who has submitted a low severity bug. It depends upon the project how much you get it. Always try to enroll for a paid project rather than a free project. But initially, in your 1 month of your start period, try to take up free projects too, so that you can learn what the process of testing is. After you become self-occupied, after you understood how the process is, then of course you can take up paid cycles too. When you start off with paid cycles, main tip is try to submit a bug as early as possible before others find, and you won't get paid for duplicate bugs. And the other main, this is what is all about utest.com. Sign up yourselves and try navigating through each and every screens. Go to their academy, try enrolling for your free courses, practice through free projects and identify bugs for it. Enroll yourself for a paid project and get earned for it. This is the way I did. You understood. So if you feel the information was good enough, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, and click on the bell icon. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Please keep supporting. Goodbye.